Hello everyone, welcome to Trending India Products. Today I am going to unbox MT Revenge 2RS pin lock inset, and I bought this product in Spartan Pro Gear, guys. As per the website, V14 pin lock inset is the suitable pin lock for MT Revenge 2RS helmet. Let's do the quick unboxing. Actually I bought two products, guys. One is Balaclava and another one is our pin lock. Yeah, as you can see, this is the pin lock inset, guys. 100% max vision. We'll come to this little later. I bought the Balaclava dry fit, guys. First let me show you this one and then we'll move to that pin lock inset. You can see it is actually Aspida body armor. Its MRP is 550 rupees, guys. Got it for 550 only. Let's open this and see the quality. Okay, this is the one, guys. If it's wet also it become dry very easily. I think we can place some air filters over here. As you can see, Aspida branding over here and here as well. This is how it looks, guys, from the back side. Now let's go for this pin lock, guys. It costed me 1750, which is a bit higher side, but the use is very good, guys. Good. It won't get fog in rainy season and winter season also. If you have different temperatures inside and outside, the visor gets fogged up, guys. So if you have two different layers, it won't get fogged up, as it is taking one will take one temperature and other visor will take one temperature, so it gets balanced like that. Okay, as you can see, MRP is 1750. There is no reduction in price, guys. We have to pay this amount only. As you can see, for MT V14 100% max vision shields, it is made in Belgium. This is the one, guys. This is actually clear, guys. Here we have a silicone grip, guys, to fit into the helmet. According to it, we need to fix. And outside here we will be having some film, protective film. We need to remove it after fixing to the helmet, guys. First of all, we have to separate the visor from helmet. It's very easy to remove visor, guys. Okay, separated. So as you can see, before fixing anything, we just clean it with microfiber cloth. Okay. It fitted properly and correctly all over the edges. Very tight now, very nice. We have to stretch it like this little bit to fix it, guys. Fitting this pin lock inset is completed. Now what we have to do is we have to remove the cover. Slowly I am removing, guys, like completed, guys. As you can see, now my helmet is equipped with pin lock inset. As you can see, pin lock 70. It is pin lock 70, guys. It won't fog up, guys, at any weathers. But the problem is, guys, in my last ride it was rained heavily and I used my hand gloves to wipe this visor, guys. Because of that, it has got some scratches over there, here and there. So if you want to clean the visor guys, I'll also give you a small tip. Use microfiber cloth first. Wet this cloth, leave the wet microfiber cloth like this for 5 minutes, and then take it out guys. Dip in the water, clear with wet microfiber cloth slowly, gently, and then wipe it off with dry another microfiber cloth guys. Then it will be very neat. This visor costs 1000 rupees, but this pin lock inset cost 1750 rupees, which is in the expensive side, but it's fine, it's doing the purpose. Let's fix back this visor into my helmet. That's it guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next unboxing video. Bye bye.